Be filled with. The bowl is filled with grapes. This donut is filled with cream. The book was filled with pictures.
Wow! This garden is filled with flowers.
It's beautiful. Be fond of. He's really fond of baseball. Romeo and Juliet were very fond of each other. My grandmother and grandfather are fond of me.
Have you heard of Picasso?
Yes, I am fond of his paintings. Be full of. The box is full of toys. Her basket was full of apples. The vase is full of beautiful flowers.
Why is your bag so heavy?
It is full of books. Be good at. He's good at mathematics. Mike is good at languages. Jane is good at sports.
You are very good at basketball.
Not really, but I have fun playing it. Be impressed by. We were impressed by his singing. She was impressed by his strength. I was impressed by the size of the house.
Did you enjoy the art gallery?
Yes, I did. I was impressed by all the beautiful paintings. Be in trouble. She is always in trouble. If you don't clean your room, you'll be in trouble. The student was in trouble for cheating on the test.
Why are you in the teacher's office? Are you in trouble?
Yes, I am. I did not do my homework last night. Be interested in. That's Weird Eddie. He's only interested in insects. I'm very interested in astronomy. When she was young, Josephine Baker was interested in dance.
I'm interested in learning how to play tennis.
I can help you. I have been playing for a few years. Be known for. The tree frog is known for its green color. The tree is known for its delicious fruit. The girl was known for having long hair.
Where is Joe? We've been waiting for 25 minutes.
Well, he is known for being late. Be late for. He is late for work. The groom was late for the wedding. The boss was late for the meeting.
Why are you driving so fast?
I am going to be late for the concert. Be made of. The house is made of brick. My pants are made of cotton. Jam is made of sugar and fruit.
Is this bottle made of glass?
No, I think it is made of plastic. Be over. Don't worry, the ride will be over soon. The meeting was over at 11 o'clock. When is the movie going to be over?
What time will this class be over?
It will finish at 3 o'clock. Be pleased with. You should be pleased with your grades. I was pleased with the quick service. She was pleased with the new wallpaper.
Wow! That is a nice picture you are painting.
Thanks. I hope my art teacher will be pleased. Be proud of. The boy is proud of his painting. They were very proud of their son. I am proud of my country.
I got an A on the test.
I'm very proud of you. Be ready to. The spider is ready to eat. She isn't ready to go yet. They were ready to go camping.
Are you ready to go to school?
No, I have to eat breakfast first. Be responsible for. He is responsible for the whole group. A shepherd is responsible for his sheep. The doctor is responsible for his patient.
Are you responsible for your little sister today?
Yes, I am. If she does anything bad, my parents will be angry at me. Be satisfied with. The snake was satisfied with his meal. My father is satisfied with his new car. Miss Johnson is not satisfied with her job.
Are you satisfied with your meal?
Yes, it tastes very good. Be similar to. Wasps are similar to bees. A turtle is similar to a tortoise. A leopard is similar to a tiger.
Look, is that your mom's car?
No, it's not, but it is similar to her car. It is the same size and color. Be supposed to. You were supposed to save half the cake for me. The meeting is supposed to begin at 2 p.m. What time is the show supposed to start?
Do you want to play soccer this afternoon?
I do, but I can't because I am supposed to meet my uncle at 2 o'clock. Be sure of. The girl was sure of which puppy she wanted. Willie was sure of his answer. She isn't sure of the time of the party.
Are you sure Rita wants the green shirt?
I am sure of it. Yesterday she told me she wanted it. Be surprised by. Be surprised at. She was surprised by her son's new hairstyle. Mr. Scrooge was surprised by the ghost. Nancy Drew was surprised at the noise.
I'm surprised by Nick's kindness these days.
Me too. Last year he was a very mean boy.